Sai Ram. Welcome to Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes. Let's learn English series with Mrs. Kalpana Heblekar. Okay, today we are going to do some more joyful activities and we are going to learn general knowledge part 3. Okay, are you happy? Yes, I can see all the smiles on your face. Very good. Let's learn some more facts and have fun. What is the most important in one's life? Can you tell me what is the most important in one's life? No, not water. No. See, I'll tell you. This is the point where you should think properly. Okay, you are very important. See, in our life, who is important? You are not important. She is not important. He is not important. But I am important for myself. Okay. So, you are important for yourself, not anybody else. Okay. So, as why you are important for yourself gives a reason. As you are strong when you know your weakness. See, each one of us have weaknesses. Okay. Some are good in writing, some are good in reading, some are good in talking, some are good in singing, right? So, we all, and some are not good. And so, some are not good and some are good. So, those who are not good, we know our weakness. Okay. So, we will become strong. We will try to learn better and better. Then, you are beautiful when you appreciate your flaws. Okay. So, now what is the meaning of flaws? Some mistake. Okay. Some mistake here and there will be there. That is called flaws. Okay. So, you are beautiful. So, when you try to accept it, you should accept. Some eyes are small, some eyes, ear is small, some nose is like this. So, we know when we see ourselves in the mirror, we know that this is a defect which we have. But we should not feel bad about it. Okay. We should try to hide it and recover it. We should say that no, I am having all things perfect. Okay. Yes. Then you are wise when you learn from your mistakes. See, when we learn from our mistakes, we become more wise and experienced. So, let's learn some more facts and have some more fun. Okay. So, what is the hardest thing to break? This is another very important. So, last was who was important. Okay. Who is important? Yes, I am important. Then, what is the hardest thing to break? Let us see what is the hardest. Yes, it is habit. H-A-B-I-T, habit. Okay. Now see what our Sadguru Madhusudan Sai says. Let's see how. Okay. Observe the word habit. Should observe. H-A-B-I-T, habit. Okay. Remove the letter H from the word. So, what remains? A bit. A bit. Okay. Little thing remains. Okay. Now, let's remove A. So, what remains? Only bit. Only bit remains. Right? Yes. Now, remove B. And then what remains? Only IT. Okay. Now, let's remove T. And what remains is I. So, now let's see. Very important point. This I is the root cause of all the problems which we have. Okay. So, we should try to replace I to we, which will lead us to He, that is God. Okay. So, I to we to He. Okay. This should be our journey. So, let us see this slide again because it is very important. What is the hardest thing to break? It is the habit. Let's see how. Observe the word habit. Remove the letter H. So, H. If we remove, what will remain? A bit. Okay. So, remains is a bit. From a bit, remove A. Okay. What remains is bit. B-I-T, bit. Now, remove B from IT. So what remains is IT will remain. Okay. Now remove T and what remains is I. Very important point. This I is the root cause of all the problems which we have. Okay. Only to satisfy us, we start doing so many bad things, right? Suppose we want something, it is in our mind and we don't have and the others have. So we start, I want it, I want it. Yes. So this is the I for root cause of all the problems. So replace this I to we, which will lead to He, that is God. Understood? So now we have seen how habit is important with us. So replace I to we and we will reach to He, that is God. Okay. So now what our Swami Sri Madhusudan Sai says is, okay, replace I to we to reach He, that is God. See how it is depicted. It is a bulb. Okay. So it is saying that it is God. Okay. Bulb is a God. Then we have each bulb in us. Okay. That is in our heart. We have the bulb of life. So that we have to sacrifice it and we have to share it with others. Okay. So it is we. And then all this will be merged in God again. So always remember, you can make this small drawing also if you want. It is done so well, right? See this point. What is the most important in one's life? You are very important, as you are strong when you know your weakness. You are beautiful when you appreciate your flaws, and you are wise when you learn from your mistakes. Okay. So these are the things which we have to keep in our mind. So thank you for visiting Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes. Let's Learn English series with Mrs. Kalpana Heblekar. Thank you and Sai Ram.